Sarvat Gilani, how are you today?
Fazan saying very well.
Mother, spouse, actor, TV and film, presenter, disruptor, activist, and you even won Cannes with Joyland. You've got so many roles. सबसे मुश्किल role कौन सा है?
To be with yourself.
अच्छा, explain that.
I think हम लोग इतने सारे roles में divided होते हैं. Since childhood, you have to be a good student, you have to be a, tamizdar bachcha, you have to be a good friend, a good sibling. So we're just used to that, and then we forget ourselves in the middle. Nobody talks about self when you're a child or as you're growing up. And I think the further away you get from that, the more difficult it is to come back to that.
तो इतने सारे roles के साथ that define you, right? Your identity is primarily an actor, right? Everyone knows you for that. फिर एक और identity है घर पे, you are a spouse to a very celebrity surgeon who in himself is a big celebrity. Then to your kids, a completely different identity. कहाँ टाइम निकलता है अपनी सेल्फ की आइडेंटिटी को डिस्कवर करने में at this age?
नहीं निकलता टाइम फैजान, निकालना पड़ता है. And I think every day I struggle with that, and every day I try and get one step closer to myself, and that only happens when I'm done with the entire day. So at the end of all mother duties, wife duties, all the other duties, then I sit with myself, and that's my time.
But that means that you are putting yourself at the lowest priority. Agar if you did that at the start of your day, कि सबसे पहले मेरा टाइम है, which means कि ठीक है थोड़ा जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा,
Yes.
और ज़्यादा जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा. But don't you get tired by the end of the day to try to discover yourself?
I think, one realizes that सबको इतना time दे दिया, so why not yourself?
Yeah.
And I think that realization comes in your 40s.
Yeah.
Till you're in your 30s, you're just about everyone else, pleasing people, being at places, all of that.
Yeah.
I think in your 40s, you realize it's okay.
Yeah.
You're not missing out on anything. Everything will always be there.
So when you look back at your 30s,
ideally, it would be amazing if I could start 2 hours before my given time and do all of this then.
लेकिन इसका मतलब ये it's a complete lifestyle shift.
Yeah. That means sleeping early.
It means sleeping early. It means cutting out a certain group of people that you've been with for such a long time because they're no longer a priority. You are.
Yes.
And the only time you can give yourself time is the morning because that's the best time.
Yeah. Ideally, that would be perfect.
How would those relationships feel if you cut them out for yourself?
People are always complaining. They all want my time. They say that nahi ho, ghaib ho, kahan ho. And I can't make everyone happy. And the ones who understand find the time when I have time. They find me. They come look for me.
And what percentage of your friends is that?
So I have a very small personal friend circle, which is like 4 or 5 friends.
That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, you're everywhere. You would have thought कि पूरी दुनिया, I mean, the whole world knows you.
Yes. But friends वो होते हैं ना जिनके साथ आप, दिल की बात कर सकते हैं. You can't talk about your, inner things, fears, happiness, all of that. You can't share it with everyone. You learn that slowly. So I love everyone I meet. I really respect them. I cherish my time with them. I really feel that I'm there for them when they need me. But there's only enough that I can give of myself, and that's okay.
In your 30s, like you were saying, कि सबको time दे रहे थे, except us, right? And I've made that mistake as well. Is there a group of people or a specific relationship जिसको you regret कि मैं इसको time क्यों दे रही थी इस relationship को या इस individual को जो अब you're like मुझे नहीं देना चाहिए था, but due to a certain pressure or thinking?
Faizan, I just feel that everything happens at that time when it's meant to happen. It's all part of your journey. There have been a few people in my life who I gave my everything to, and they didn't reciprocate like that. But then what did it do? Did it take something out of me? No, it added something to my life, to my perspective, to my understanding of people. So at the end of the day, it's how I see it.
What did they add if they didn't reciprocate?
So they added information that when a taker is taking, there's no limit, because the giver is always giving. So the taker has no limit. So one has to know when to stop.
So do you define relationships now as a relationship do you see people as either takers or givers, or are there people in between?
No, obviously there are people in between.
But you can identify takers now.
Because when when the in-between people become a little too, what do you call it? Demanding, or then that becomes a taker, right? And one has to identify them, have the intelligence to identify them soon.
Can you recalibrate a taker?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
And what happens if you can't?
Time teaches me. So it's not like I'm in a rush. It'll come around. Samne nazar aa jata hai.
And the one thing you were not giving time to, other than yourself, right? Which you have started giving time to now.
I have.
What is that? No, except for yourself. The one other thing.
My mother.
Your mother. What was that realization?
That realization was when she fell ill. She went to the hospital. Thanks to you, you helped me. And I realized that, everything will come and go. She will not come back. So I do need to spend time with her. I need my kids to understand how important this relationship is, because Dadi Dada ka ghar kareeb hai. To wo jate I keep sending them. But Nani is a little further away in Bath Island.
तो कितने दिन जाते हैं हफ्ते में?
हफ्ते में हम रोज हर फ्राइडे को जाते हैं या हर सैटरडे को जाते हैं अब.
तो हफ्ते में एक दफा
जाते हैं, पूरा दिन गुजारते, नाइट स्पेंड करते, फिर आते हैं. But this is very recent.
How old is she?
She is 77, mashallah.
I was reading, I'm not trying to make this sound morose, but I was reading somewhere, right? यही parents की बात हो रही थी. And they were referring to people who live in the US. कि आप parents को Christmas पे मिलते हैं, Thanksgiving पे मिलते हैं, maybe एक और major holiday पे मिलते हैं. So they're like, you're meeting your parents, if you look at it from a calendar year.
Very few times.
You're meeting your mom once a week, which is 52 times. Delete holidays, delete travel. So you'll end up meeting her 40 times.
Yeah.
Then you say that average lifespan of a woman in Pakistan is?
About 50, 60.
No, it's about 70.
Yeah,
a little mid, I think 70 something.
Okay.
So she's above that average?
Yes.
Okay. So you have limited time.
Yes.
So your kids may have, inshallah, they'll have many interactions.
Yeah.
10, 20 years. But when you look at it from an interaction perspective, ये हम भूल जाते हैं. I think ये हमें देर से ख्याल आता है.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही.
And I did the same thing. So I live next to my parents. I would try to eat dinner every day, but life happens, you can't.
Yes.
Mondays को मैंने लॉक किया हुआ है.
Yeah.
Mondays dinner with my parents. Come hello, high water, कुछ नहीं. Nothing else can move that.
Yeah. You have to put your foot down.
You have to put your foot.
And you have to limit yourself.
Exactly.
Because when you realize you're already late.
Yes.
So I had that with my father. When he passed away, I wasn't here. I was in Canada. And I would be shooting a lot during that time. And I remember when I came back, he felt really ill. And I would be with him every sham ko. I would go meet him, baat karti thi. But मेरी कोई shooting आई जहाँ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा busy थी. And I remember the day before he went to the hospital for the last time, in the evening, I was really knackered. I came home very tired. And he called me out and he said, Sarvat, come sit with me. And I said, Ba, I'm so tired. I'll come tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow and I'll sit with you. And that tomorrow never came. So forever, there's this vacuum, this huge hole in my heart that, gosh, That one day I should have just gone and sat with him, and that was his last day. But I was lucky that I was with him when he was in the hospital, and his pink hands turned white in my hands. So I know that feeling of loss and regret. And I didn't want me or the kids to go through that again.
And you've talked about your father before, that he was a very meticulous man,
Yeah.
dressed well to the nines,
Yes.
pocket square, matching socks and everything, right?
Yeah.
Are you inculcating the same in your kids?
Yes.
Really?
Very proper like that.
And is it the Nawab background that kicks it? Is it that part of it, or is it the military background of your father?
It's a bit of both, because I saw my Nana doing the same. He was very meticulous about his bridges and his, books and his things. So I think it comes from both ends.
लेकिन आजकल के बच्चे तो स्वेट पैंट्स और टी शर्ट्स और ट्रेनर्स के अलावा तो आप कैसे उनको दिखा सकते हैं कि यार एक प्रॉपर तरीका होता है कपड़े पहनने का?
So there is so much online. You talk about values. I think communicating is very important. I have a very good relationship with my children because I talk to them like they're adults. So I remember the first time Fahad and I took them to Cafe Flow, which is a fancy sort of a restaurant. They wanted to wear their regular t-shirts and shorts. It's okay, Mama. So then Fahad and I sat down and we said, this is a formal restaurant and it's a 5-course meal. So you have to dress a little. And so they were so cute. They wore like their shirt, like buttons to the top and trousers and very proper.
Yeah.
And they're like, something. I said something like, don't do that. And he's like, Mama, this is a classy restaurant. Can you act classy? I was like, chalo, as long as they get the gist of it,
And,
so, yeah.
And what is your view as you're raising your kids, since you talk to them a lot, what is your view on social media and children?
Oh, it's, so control is so important.
They have YouTube, they have TikTok, they have Snapchat, Instagram.
No, they have YouTube Kids. And they have their online, like those Roblox and stuff games.
There's no...
There's no
social media.
No. He keeps asking me because a couple of his friends, the older one, they have their YouTube channel. They're dropping their merch. They're making money, all those terms. And it's a big no. Also because I am part of the media myself, and I know what exposure at an earlier age can do.
What can it do?
It can take you away from very important lessons in life, especially when it comes to making money. They think now, I make 5 videos, Mama, I'll make more money. Why are you sending me to school? So for them to understand that schooling is not just to make money. It is for, building values, building stamina, building mind, all of that.
And so how do you restrict the child then? As they grow older and there'll be peer pressure कि यार सबके पास आ गया है WhatsApp और ये और Instagram, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिला?
So my line to that is, they don't live in this house. You live in this house. We have house rules which are different from XYZs. They have their own house rules. So Monday to Friday, we have no screen.
No screen?
No screen.
Like no YouTube?
Nothing. No screen, no iPad.
They'd eat dinner without a screen?
We talk on dinner. At dinner time, we talk because it's family time. And that's when a lot of conversations take place. So वो bed में नहीं हो सकती, because bedtime is bedtime. Although they linger on till bedtime. But it has to be, let's talk about what would you like to take away from today? What would you like to bring tomorrow from today? Intelligent questions, very important. Who's a good friend? Do you know who's a friend? Let's talk about it.
Daily?
Yes, pretty much.
That's pretty good.
So, Faizan, I'm home from, after I wake up, getting them out for school, I go back to sleep. Then it's Ella's time to go to school. So from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m., I am home every day. I have a lot of fights with them, but those are good fights. So outdoor play fights, a game, board game fight, eating, no snacks, like no outdoors, outside stuff, food, wo fight, reading fight, spending time with your pets, taking care of the pets' time, all of that.
But what about when shoots happen? क्योंकि shoots के schedules तो बहुत erratic होते हैं.
So I worked after 7 years for this particular reason.
Okay.
And shoot I can only do in June, July because there's no school.
Right. Achha, so you've built the structure around kids first,
Absolutely.
industry and career second, and only at a limited time.
Yeah. I've done industry for 20 years. I've given this industry that time, and I think it's good. Now is their time, and this time is going to go so far.
Yeah. Blink of an eye.
So, and I'm not hungry for publicity or screen time or recognition. So my tummy's full. And the right people know I'm going to work with them. So nobody just randomly offers me stuff now. It comes to me when it's supposed to be for me. It's meant for me.
You did a TV channel hosting recently.
Yes.
Which you then left.
Yes.
Was that meant for you? And if so, why did you leave it?
So it was meant for that particular time. Ella was one. And I remember when this was offered to me, they wanted a year-long contract. And I wasn't really sure because this was a new team. It wasn't somebody I knew from the media. So I said, how about let's do a 6-month contract? You see if you want to work with me. I see if I want to work with you. And I had an exit clause, which not everyone did. And so I have to have my
way out.
You know, I need to know that I will not get stuck, because feeling stuck is my most painful time, where I feel that I'm helpless and stuck. So I did that, and then towards the end, so there were a lot of, you know, हर channel में मसले होते हैं, printer खराब है, अब सुबह news पढ़नी है, printer खराब है, उसका मैं क्या करूँ यार? और माशाल्लाह वो vocabulary नहीं है. You know, so my co-host was very nice. He would help me with the Urdu. I would ask questions that sometimes weren't supposed to be asked.
Matlab?
Also. So there's a certain, you know, boundary that you, a news person, anchor or host should not cross.
Who sets that boundary?
The heads.
The head of the channels.
The head of the channel, the, you know,
the...
You know who sets those boundaries, yeah. So one has to sort of understand that. And as an activist, you know, I would be like really raging inside. कि यार education का minister बैठा हुआ है, मैं उससे ये ना पूछूं कि कॉपियां नहीं छपी, books नहीं छपी, तो बच्चों का syllabus 1.5 महीने लेट हो गया.
हाँ.
तो कह रहे उनसे अच्छी बातें करें. तो मैं कह रही हूँ मैं अच्छी क्या उनसे.
नहीं तो ये नहीं पूछ सकते थे सवाल.
नहीं तो फिर थोड़ा
compromise
sugar coat करके और.
So it was a compromised question, लेकिन you did push it.
Yeah, I would always push it.
Did you get chided for it?
Once.
You did?
Yes.
What was the question you asked?
It was to a politician.
And what was the question?
No, I can't.
I mean, this is not that channel. You can tell me. I'm now very curious.
I was talking about double standards.
ठीक है.
And I was saying that, you know, on one side you say, this is a democratic country and all that.
Yeah.
And on one side you're saying we can't even talk openly about it.
Yeah.
So how is this a democratic country? When all the channels are given a list of not to talk about.
Yeah.
And then you're saying हम तो आजाद हैं.
हाँ.
हम कैसे आजाद हैं?
तो फिर बस.
तो वो डायरेक्टर मुझे कह रहे सरवत ये नहीं पूछ सकते. And I'm like, I'm just like with a poker face. I'm like, बताइए. And then I got a little,
a little scolding. How did that guy react on TV? Was he able to respond?
He was a little confused initially because
he's like, how do I respond to this?
Yes. But then they have all these facts and numbers and, you know.
घुमाना आता तो उनको. हाँ, वो तो कहीं और ले जाएंगे. बचपन से घुमा रहे हैं.
तो उनके लिए ज़्यादा मसला नहीं था.
तो क्या 6 महीने में एग्जिट क्यों किया? Because you see, मुझे एक चीज, I'm pushing on this. Because you work with the same people for the longest time. That's one thing that is evident in your career. MD Productions, Hum TV, you've had this knit of people. Har kisi ke saath nahi. And suddenly we see you on this brand new channel doing something that you've never done before. Urdu mein host, right? And I'm like, what's up? This does not add up to the Sarvat that I know.
Yeah.
So you did it, ठीक है, exit clause, you want to try something new, whatever.
Yeah.
फिर exit क्यों किया? अगर अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ी सी chiding भी हो जाती है, and it works with the schedule. It's only a couple of hours a day.
Yeah, it was great timing.
Timing wise, it was great. You know, it doesn't take away from the kids.
Not at all.
तो छोड़ा क्यों?
I'd be back home by 12.
Perfect life.
Yeah.
Kids are at school. You've done this. You come back. You get your fill.
And then I would do school rounds and everything. So that way it was great. It was just becoming a little too political, and I'm very straight.
How does a TV channel become political?
Because it's being head by a politician, so it becomes political. But no, I just feel that even for them, it was a learning curve, you know.
Right.
Because broadcasting, like I said, is a monster, and you can't just be like, oh, घर पे मेरा furniture बनाता है, आपका set भी वही बना देगा. I'm like, नहीं, but उसको lighting करनी है. तो इस तरह के तो issues होते थे. But then, so there was a girl who was sort of mistreated. I went up with her, activist तो हूँ, women's rights की. तो मैं ये बड़े पंगे मैंने लिए.
अच्छा.
कि इसको sorry कहें, आपने गलत बात कही है.
Really?
Yeah. कहा sorry उन्होंने.
अच्छा.
फिर मुझे भी कहलवाया ना. आपको भी कहना पड़ेगा sorry. And so my term was ending. And things were becoming very like, okay, I don't know if because बातें बहुत हो रही थी, and I'm not used to that culture.
Because you never did TV day to day.
Yeah.
No. And production mein, let me get this right. Production mein, you're actually not in a TV environment. You go create, it takes 3-4 months.
Yeah.
चीज बन गई, फिर edit में चली गई, now it's on air, now you're watching it.
Yeah, you're part of the creative process.
You're part of the creative process. Yes. And जब create कर रहे होते तो उसमें इतना politics होना नहीं चाहिए, especially if you work with the same people.
Yeah.
लेकिन day to day, live TV के अंदर, there's always an angle.
Yeah. I mean, our things wouldn't go up online on time. And this was their face of the channel. It was their morning show. But because we weren't very friendly or we weren't very, accommodating, so they would, tease us like that. And not just me, my entire team of 11 people. And there was critique happening from the headquarters who was in Lahore, not doing anything themselves. And we were trying to just push every door, push every boundary and get that content. And there was no appreciation. I'm used to critique. I'm an Indus Valley student. So for me, critique is healthy. But not to a point where you diss the rest of the people who are really working hard, They come from different backgrounds and you can't do this to them. So for me, when you don't respect my team, you don't respect the women around me, it's a no-no for me. I don't understand that mindset.
But if the money is good, right? A lot of people say कि यार पैसे अगर अच्छे हैं, ठीक है यार, just swallow it and पैसे तो अच्छे मिल रहे हैं.
That's the difference, na Faizan. Paise is not everything for me. Izzat is everything.
But someone can say that, you can say that because you have, mashallah, say a settled, comfortable life. A lot of the upcoming actors, they may not come from backgrounds जहाँ पे उनको हर चीज उनकी, taken care of है.
I come from a very middle class family. And I mean, when I was working, I had just graduated from Indus Valley. So I didn't have a lot of money. I didn't have big cars. I would travel in public transport. I didn't have issues with that. But I knew there was a thin line that no one can cross. Not even I. So that has been a very set standard. Nawab,
Dad military,
Pathan military. तो वो सच है, हक है, गलत है, ये गलत है, ये तो ये दोनों की तरफ से मुझे जब आया तो it's in my blood. So even when I wasn't making money, even when I was starting off, I would stand up in front of big channel owners and call them out.
You would?
Yes, every time.
Didn't it restrict your growth or the opportunities you got?
No one can restrict my growth. No. If I didn't get a particular project, I got a better one later. And great, I didn't get that. So जो मिल रहा है उसका भी शुक्र, जो नहीं मिल रहा उसका और ज्यादा शुक्र.
क्योंकि वो गलत तरीके से मिलता, कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता,
हाँ,
और फिर बाद में वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज
वैल्यूज को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता ना.
एंड दैट कॉस्ट यू डाउन द रोड. कहीं ना कहीं उस कॉम्प्रोमाइज का एक कॉस्ट आता है.
I mean, for me, those compromises were not getting a role, not getting that project, not getting awards. I've been rewarded many a time. So you need to understand what is your core. And my core is very strong. And I know that करोड़ों रुपए आप मुझे दे दें. Because I've heard stories of my own family members. I remember my father telling me, and I was telling somebody this today, that he was in Parker Oil Refinery, and he was at a very good position, and they were doing landscaping of their new office structure in Korangi, and somebody came to him and he said, I'll give you this cut, give me this project. He opened the door, kicked him out, pashto mein gaaliyan di usko. He didn't have a fancy car. He could have gotten a very nice good car because of that project. But what did he choose? So when you grow up with people like that, a big president came to my Nana's house, and he came from India at that time, and he said, join our party. Aapke nalkon se gold bahega. Those were his words. My father, my Nana said, ये चाय है, प्लीज पीछे, ये रास्ता है, यहाँ से आप जा सकते हैं. So when you grow up with that value, who are these people? No one.
Do you think that value system is there amongst the younger generation of actors you see?
If their parents teach.
Do you see it in the majority of them?
You know, Faizan, it's their journey. They will get here some point. When you're young, you're vulnerable. You are open to experimenting. You're open to, let's give it a shot. क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा? तो वो होता है. It's all part of learning. But I know, as Pakistanis, I think we do have those values. और जहाँ नहीं है वो नजर आती है और वो उससे सीख के बड़े हो जाएंगे और वो फिर next time वही करेंगे. So no. At the age that they're at, I don't expect them to have
this value system.
I mean, I was 22 when I had that value system, but I had that background. So if they do have that background, it comes innately. You don't have to try too hard for it.
Coming back to the TV channel, do you think that the TV industry is run by professionals today?
It's run by businessmen for sure, and women. But there's a whole process of creative, responsible content creators that we're lacking, but बहुत बेहतर हो गया, I would say. एक ज़माना था which was only TRPs, only business. Now it's about what message your content is giving. The better the message, the more successful it'll be.
Do you think your ratings mindset से थोड़ा बाहर निकल आए हैं?
I think so. The last 5 years, our plays have been quite all right.
Tell me one play that has struck you that would not have been a rating success, but was a messaging success.
So I think the one where, I forget the name, but वो parenting के ऊपर था. अभी कुछ दिनों पहले गया है. उसमें नुमान इजाज थे and everything. There were about 2 families. One who raises their children like this and one who raises them another way. That was a great message. Even case number 9. Ya Pamal, which talks about dyslexia or split personality disorders, or about rape victims, the justice system around those sort of cases. So we're doing better.
And are there certain channels that are leading the way in this, or is it everyone has jumped in and tried to change content?
I think they're all trying. I wouldn't say so. एक चैनल का सक्सेस होता है, फिर दूसरा चैनल कहता है हम भी इसी लाइन पे बनाते हैं.
वो मी टू तो प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे, पर वो जो चैनल जो रिस्क ले रहा है पहले, क्या वो जो रिस्क लेने वाले चैनल्स हैं, आर दे द सेम? क्योंकि फॉलोअर्स तो सब खड़े हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, they are the same.
So that means the industry is not really changed क्योंकि risk लेने वाले channels तो शुरू से वही चल रहे हैं.
देखिए वो एक आपको एक टाइम स्लॉट दे देते हैं कि हम इतना रिस्क ले सकते हैं. 8 to 9 के कैटेगरी में नहीं लेंगे. You know, 9 to 10 में ले लेंगे, 7 to 8 में ले लेंगे. It's still a start. You know.
तो 8 to 9 में जहाँ सारी रेटिंग्स बेसिकली वहीं डिफाइन होती हैं, सारी एडवर्टाइजिंग, सबसे महंगे स्लॉट बिकते हैं, राइट? 8 to 9 में कौन रिस्क ले रहा है?
अब ले रहे हैं. तो जो मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि वो जो आपने कहा ट्रेंड सेटर्स जो थे, वो दे स्टार्टेड विथ 7 to 8 या 9 to 10. When that trend became better, that was appreciated, well received by the viewers, I think they came to main slots. तो अब Pamal, Kabli Pulao tha, which was about child marriage, all of those things, वो सारे 8 to 9 में आपको नजर आएंगे, which is great, you know. तो है, कम है, but है, चल रहा है. It's becoming better.
A risk like Churels कभी टीवी पे नजर आएगा, पाकिस्तानी टीवी पे?
It's too futuristic a content for Pakistan to accept.
Futuristic in what sense? It's possible.
Open. It's possible.
What was shown is something that can actually happen.
No, it is happening.
And it is happening, yes. Right? So it's not out of the realm of the norm.
But we don't want to
talk about it.
We don't want to talk about it. We don't want that taboo in our face. We don't want to accept it. How can a woman, Pakistani woman, a Muslim woman, cut up her husband, cook a nihari out of it? We don't want to talk about it. वो जब अखबार की छोटी छोटी चिंदियों में आता है, वहां तक ठीक है. मेन स्ट्रीम पे नहीं दिखाना ये. और कातिला सीनाएं बन जाएंगी. So ये भी बहुत इश्यूज है ना.
क्या आना चाहिए इस तरह का कंटेंट टीवी पे ताकि दिखाएं लोगों को कि हमारे माशरे में क्या रेंज है चीजों की जो अक्सर डिस्कस नहीं होती हैं?
So I'll tell you, I think TV1 started taking that step at some point.
I remember that point was very early, 2012, बंद खिड़कियों के पीछे.
Yes.
I was shocked.
Yes. So when you have a gutsy person leading, a leader, they can maneuver around and do talk about these topics, but not everyone has the stomach for it.
Because they don't come from a creative background, or because they're too worried about the business, or they don't...
Because they're business people.
Or they're running the channel for the wrong objective.
I mean, they're running the channel for business. It's not for education. It's not for uplifting the youth. It's not for giving you ideals and heroes. हमारे कौन है ideals and heroes? गिनती पे है. So नहीं, उनके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं बिजनेस.
तो ठीक है, तो टीवी चैनल्स जो प्राइवेट हैं उनके तो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं बिजनेस इज क्रिएटिंग वैल्यू फॉर द शेयर होल्डर, लेकिन पब्लिक टीवी पीटीवी तो उसका वो ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है, वो तो स्टेट रन टेलीविजन है. उस पे हम ये चीजें क्यों नहीं देखते?
बट स्टेट रन, यू नो व्हाट इट मींस.
दिखाएं स्टेट में क्या हो रहा है, क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन होनी चाहिए. और एक जमाने में दिखाते थे पीटीवी की जो ट्रेनिंग थी 60s 70s में जर्मनी जब भिजवाते थे, प्रोड्यूसर्स प्रॉपर प्रोड्यूसर्स थे, कैमरे इक्विपमेंट लाइट्स, यू मीट पीपल फ्रॉम दैट एरा एंड दे आर लाइक यार पीटीवी वाज लाइक एन इंटरनेशनल channel.
It was an institution.
It was an institution, exactly.
And at that time their narratives were very strong about strong women and
yes,
you know, they were nurturing that idea. But जो लिखते थे वो content, जो लिखते थे वो उस तरह के narratives, जो बैठते थे उन meetings में, वो लोग नहीं हैं. अगर वही लोग इन channels में होते तो I think बहुत different होती चीजें.
क्या वो लोगों की कमी है या उन लोगों क्या
So it's a bit of everything, I'll tell you. वो लोगों की भी कमी है
और जो बिठाने वाले भी नहीं है,
वो बिठाने वाले भी नहीं है, जो हमारे रूल करने वाले हैं उनके भी अलग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. तो a lot has changed. It's like two kids coming out of the same family. The parents are going through something entirely different with the first child. They're emotionally at a different place when the second child comes. They're financially at a different place. Just like that, with channels, when we started with PTV, The motive was something else. It was right after independence. We wanted to educate, elevate our people. Right now, the objective is let's sustain this channel. Let's have a big house. Let's send our kids abroad. That is the objective. So primarily, अगर आपका objective ही आपकी nation के लिए change हो गया हो, so it's not a national objective. It's a very subjective objective.
So you're saying कि PTV की अब जो objective है is to enrich those who run it.
I mean, I would say PTV की objective है कि जो safe है वो चलाओ. Safe. When was the last time PTV put out a project which was talking about a taboo? Never. It's been a long, long time. So yeah, they want to play it safe. And I can only imagine that because it's a state-run channel, they have limited, they have a limited ability to be creative.
Did you feel Churels was a success?
It was a super duper success.
So then was there anyone who didn't feel that way and expressed it to you?
Yes.
Who?
So I'll tell you, when we were making Churels, or rather when I was reading the script, I was like, oh my God, this will land us in a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
But then that was so fun, you know. And when we were done shooting and it was about to come out, we were like, chalo bhai, ready ho jao. Backlash ke, boycott ke, banned hone ke. So we were very prepared mentally. 20% of the awam dissed us, banned us, did not like what we were showing. 80% of the awam loved the content. Because we're also hungry, right? For that kind of storytelling. Because we see it around, we're very hush about it. So people loved it. Then they banned us. I know exactly who.
Who banned you?
I can't take that name. I can't take his name.
Don't take the name, but tell me where they're sitting.
In Lahore.
Tell me which organization. I'm not asking for a name.
He's very passionate about Pakistan. Very. So, and he has his, connections.
No, so if you hold on, he's not in government?
No.
He's not in government. He sits in Lahore, he's not in government. Is he in the military?
No.
So he's not in government, he's not in military. He sits in Lahore and he has that much power to get something banned like this. Is he religious?
No.
Man, I gotta get to know this guy. This guy is solid.
He has his connection. So he went and he said, is this what you're representing? There was a Hina Bayat scene, which was a bit, like a little quirky. And that was a scene that he showed them.
Yeah.
And I can only understand them saying, ye hamari Pakistani stars aisi baatein karengi ab.
That was a risky scene though.
Asim always has one risky scene.
Yeah.
But that's what makes him him.
Yeah.
And kudos to Hina Bayat.
Yeah.
For not going around it or boycotting it. But she's also, it takes a really gutsy person to do gutsy stuff. So कोई बात नहीं, उन्होंने बैन किया, लोगों ने और जा के देखा. So I was just like, great. And when I would go abroad is when people would, especially from the neighboring country. I got DMs from Karan Johar, I met Manish, I met, Ranbir Kapoor's mother. So they all loved it. And they follow our plays, not just now, since forever.
They think we do very good plays.
Yes. I mean, in comparison to theirs, I think we do a very good job. Yeah. So yeah.
And then
एक बैन होने का अलग ही मजा है फैजान.
जाहिर है उससे publicity मिलती है. All publicity is good publicity. The minute you say कि कुछ banned है, everyone wants it.
That's what happened with Joyland also.
So he actually did you a favor.
Yes.
By giving you more marketing.
Yeah.
But then was there anyone in the industry or around you in your close circle who did not celebrate that success with you and that came as a surprise?
Faizan, no one in my industry celebrated the success of Churels.
What? You've got to be
Yes.
kidding.
No one congratulated us. It was
Why?
our first, international. So that's when you realize,
I'm stumped.
yes, that's when even for Joyland, for that matter,
No, I thought you were going to say, oh, there's this one person, but what do you mean no one?
no one, except for my Sanam Saeed
ठीक
or
है, right.
me or
Yeah.
Myra, all of that circle,
Yeah.
Aaka Sheikh. That's it. No one.
What do you think is the reason for that?
Jealousy, for sure. The fact that they weren't able to do it, somebody else was. ये हजम नहीं होता ना हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. उसको सक्सेस मिल गई, हमें क्यों नहीं मिली? सड़ जाएंगे.
Celebrate नहीं करते
Celebrate
success?
नहीं करते.
Is that across the board?
So I've stopped calling myself a celebrity. One needs to be celebrated.
See, genuinely, it's not just a Churel's problem. It could be for anything. कि मतलब, so let's say, what was it? Maula Jat was a huge hit.
Yeah.
क्या industry में लोग celebrate नहीं कर रहे थे उसको?
So एक post कर दिया या story लगा दी, that's not celebrating. When you meet them, you congratulate them, you hug them, you say what a wonderful job, what touched you, what moved you, have a little bit of a conversation around it. So it comes across that, it did something to you, like you're genuinely moved.
ये नजर नहीं आता है.
वो उनके मैनेजर्स कह रहे होते, प्लीज यार इनको थैंक यू, इनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर दो
अपने सोशल्स पे.
हाँ, क्योंकि उनकी पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल में से कोई नहीं है ना उस प्रोजेक्ट.
Right.
अगर उनमें से एक भी कोई हो तो वो भाई तबाहियां और सेलिब्रेशंस और डिनर्स और टी पार्टीज एंड ऑल दैट. सो इट्स वेरी clannish. Yes.
And the same for Joyland. Joyland won Cannes. It had a category win in Cannes, and it was also a very different script.
Yeah.
That was not celebrated either?
No. I remember a very prominent actor, hero. I met him in Dubai. We were at a friend's dinner. He met me, did not congratulate me, did not say anything about Joyland. When we were on the way out, so my manager said, "Oh, did you notice Sarvat's film one?" He's like, पांच फिल्में ला रहा हूं मैं फेस्टिवल के लिए. And I looked at my manager. I'm like, just please spare me. So no, there's jealousy. And that's why we are where we are, Faizan. When I work with people from the neighboring country.
वहाँ पे ये नहीं है?
Not at all.
वहाँ पे क्या culture है?
Celebrating.
Really?
They celebrate you. The minute you put your foot in their office, in the hotel, wherever, there's a welcome gift. Sabya Sachi Raj. When our poster came out, there was a big bouquet sent to all the main lead, a big cake, a big poster.
और ये कौन भेजता है ये इंडस्ट्री के अंदर?
ये यहाँ पे तो कोई नहीं भेजता.
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं करता है.
यहाँ पे तो चेक टाइम पे मिल जाए तो बड़ी बात है. यहाँ पे कोई नहीं भेजता. वो बाहर वाले लोग.
वहाँ पे बराबर में चेक टाइम पे मिलते हैं?
Before the date.
Really?
A person will tell you a day to in advance.
तो वहाँ पे जो यहाँ पे सब इंडस्ट्री की सबकी शिकायत है कि मीडिया में पैसे टाइम पे नहीं मिलते और जब मिलते हैं टुकड़ों में मिलते हैं if you're lucky. And it's a complaint that's been there I've seen for the last 10-12 years. You're saying that doesn't exist there at all?
20 years.
20 years since it started?
Since I started working.
Okay, 12 years से तो मैं देख रहा हूँ.
हाँ, तो 22 years तो हो गए.
So 22 साल में पैसे टाइम पे नहीं मिले.
बहुत कम लोग.
कुछ देते हैं. I heard one or two channels are pretty good about it.
I mean, I would take a name. Fahad Mustafa. Whenever I've worked with him, his production is very proper.
Really?
Yeah. When it comes to money. And when it comes to hearing me out. Because I yap a lot. I have creative ideas. I'm like, ये क्यों? तो वो सुनता है, उसकी team सुनती है. It also depends on how interested you are in your craft. You know? When you make sense, they will listen to you. If you are just highlighting your screen time and you want more of your attention on you, they understand that too. So one has to be very... But then yes, पैसे नहीं मिलते. मेरीन जब्बार अभी कुछ अर्से पहले उनकी इंटरव्यू आई थी, मोहम्मद अहमद. These are senior people in the industry. You can't do that.
ये इंडिया में नहीं होता है.
इंडिया में बिल्कुल नहीं होता है फैजान. इंडिया में आपको डे 1 से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, आपको अप टू डेट रखते हैं. आप नहीं फोन कर करके कह रहे होते कि मेरी गाड़ी कब आएगी, मुझे खाने में कुछ दे दो यार, 6 घंटे हो गए खाना नहीं आया. ये सब वहां नहीं होता. वहां पे आई रिमेम्बर वी वर गोइंग टू एशियन अवार्ड्स, साउथ एशियन अवार्ड्स थे, और कातिल हसीना was nominated. We won international series over there. I remember 2 months before our travel, this girl calls and she's like, so are you allergic to something? And I just died. I said, या तो भूखे मर रहे हैं हम सेट पे, वहां पे पूछ रही एलर्जिक है आप. What sort of pillow will you use?
यहाँ पे तो तकिया मिल जाए बड़ी बात है.
यहाँ पे सोने की जगह मिल जाए बड़ी बात है. तो हाँ, they are where they are because they really appreciate, encourage, elevate. यहाँ पे एक और सुपर लाइक एक हीरो ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, अगला हीरो उसको मुंह नहीं लगाएगा.
क्या मतलब?
मतलब उसको बात नहीं, कंग्रेचुलेट नहीं करेगा,
बात ही नहीं करेगा.
हाँ, कहीं मिल जाए, अच्छा है, मुबारक हो यार. That's it.
Fragile egos?
Very.
And बराबर fragile egos नहीं है इंडिया में.
अगर हैं भी तो वो उसको बड़े क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस के थ्रू निकालते हैं. They liked your work, they will work harder on their project. That's how they will win their ego battle. Not by pulling you down.
अच्छा, that's a very good point.
Yeah.
So they'll be professional in the interaction, कभी पता नहीं चलेगा, and then they'll win it through hard work.
And that's how it should be.
यहाँ पे they'll win it by pulling you down,
yes,
ताकि फिर आपके ऊपर चढ़ जाए वो.
Yes. So my one film project was JPNA. Then JPNA 2 was an entirely different experience for me. And that is why I didn't agree to do JPNA 3.
What was the difference between the two experiences?
So the second time, I was not in the second half of the movie. So that's okay. But at least मार दो ना, या पेशावर भेज दो. You know, कुछ तो करो.
What do you mean? You just disappeared?
Yes.
Because someone didn't like you or what? What did you do?
No, because the story was, you know, कहीं और जा रही थी.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
सही है.
तो जब वो लिख रहे थे और जब मुझे ऑफर की, तो उन्होंने कहा अभी हम तो लिखेंगे, और अभी लिखेंगे, अभी सेकंड हाफ तो अभी लिखा ही नहीं है. तो I'd be like, okay, ये तो बड़ा कॉमन राइट है कि सेट पे लिख रहे हैं.
हाँ, exactly.
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. अब वो फिल्म शूट हो गई, तो अच्छा और सीन्स नहीं आए, अभी आ रहे हैं, 2 दिन में आ रहे हैं, 4 दिन में आ रहे हैं, टिकट बुक थी, आपको जाना पड़ेगा. अरे आगे कुछ नहीं आ रहा. अभी तो टाइम नहीं है, अभी बहुत स्ट्रेस है, अभी ये है, वो है, वो है. I was like, okay, चलो कोई बात. प्रमोशंस के टाइम पे यार बजट नहीं है टिकट का. I'm like, what do you mean? Aren't you taking everyone?
Yeah.
Like the main 5-6 people? They're like, नहीं, इसने तो खुद अपने पैसे दिए हैं टिकट के, तो तुम भी दे दो.
For the movie promotion, वो खुद पैसे दे रहे थे, actors claim कर रहे थे,
दे भी रहे होंगे, जो हालात चल रहे होते हैं. No.
Right.
तो ऐसे अच्छा, तो I figured something out with the ticket.
Right.
They left me.
No kidding.
No. They left me and they went because, why? Because during the entire promotion with magazine shoots, designers के पास जाना, वो सब मेरी टीम बहुत organized होके कर रही थी. तो I was super organized. And they didn't like it. So the main lead or whatever would have a problem with why Sarvat's team is there. Why is Sarvat choosing the clothes? भाई तुम कर लो. You know. तो इस तरह की चीजें बड़ी थी. And I can't work in a jealousy or envious or negative or, you know, backstabbing sort of an environment. I want to give as much importance to my spot boy as I am to the director, because it has to be a team effort. Everyone has to feel like they're part of something good. So that's not my culture. And again, I would stand up and say, this is wrong. Because they're not giving me work.
Are there any usual suspects in the world of jealousy in these A-list, B-list, whatever?
You know, you'd be surprised. One would think, oh, they have had their share. They have so much. Yet they will not take your name sitting next to you. They will say, these people.
Really? Wow.
So, yes.
That's the next level of fragility of egos.
Yes.
They haven't discovered themselves. They haven't spent time with themselves. Yes. They are insecure.
Yeah.
And they are scared that they're not good enough कि दूसरा वाला बंदा अगर थोड़ी सी मेहनत करके उनको गिरा देगा तो दबा के रखो ये नहीं कि खुद को बेहतर करो.
Yes. और बाहर आप देखते हैं it's that खुद को बेहतर craft पे concentrate.
Exactly.
Craft is going to take it. And that's been my motto. I was not a people's pleaser. I was never into any clan, sending gifts, celebrating birthdays, all of that. I was like, these people can only take me so far. What's going to take me far? My work. So, and I'm here in front of you. It's all right.
And how does it work? I mean, you've given the example of JPNA. How does it work in a movie like Neelofer, jahan pe you've got this star duo that the whole of the country like just, is drawn to. And then there's you and your character, right? How do you find and maintain your presence and the voice of your character on camera and off camera during promotions and things like these when optically everyone's looking at just those two?
So, Faizan, I've never been part of any race. I've been a tortoise. I have my own race. So everyone, what they're getting, they deserve. Whether that's attention, that's publicity, that's recognition, that's more projects. I have my own thing. So promotion agar film ki ho rahi hai, I'll be there, but I will make sure that I dress well, I speak well, I do my homework. And those 15 seconds are good enough for me.
So you're not worried about कि airtime कम मिला या जगह कम मिली या...
No.
These things matter, especially in...
I will take my airtime. And I will make sure you remember it. That's up to me. That's not up to anyone else. So if you're giving me 10 seconds instead of the 30 you promised me, I will make sure those 10 seconds are worth remembering.
Will you fight for the 30 before you concede to the 10?
If it was promised to me, I will have a discussion about it. If the reason is good enough, I will understand. If it's not, I will walk out.
So you will only concede if it makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Would you do another movie?
I'm open to acting. Always. It has to be good. Like, good in my books.
If there was a script conceptually you would love to work on, what would it be about?
It would be about a message, a good message. Like somebody's trash can be another person's treasure. Simple subjects. Simple subjects make the most impact because it's about the common man. We are around common people. So that's why I love Iranian cinema. They're about small little things, and they go a long way.
What Iranian movie has struck you?
Blue Sparrows.
What was it about?
It was about a guy who, so he goes to different construction sites and he takes the doors and windows. And he's trying to build something in his house. And so how he's taking a blue door in the middle of the field. And कितनी मेहनत से वो दरवाजा भारी सा लेके जाता है, अपने घर पे रखता है. फिर कोई और कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही होती है, वो वहां से एक खिड़की लाता है, वो रखता है. जिस दिन उसको वो बनाना होता है, उसकी बीवी ने सब फेंक दिया होता है. It's about that.
That's it.
That's it. But जिस तरह मैं explain कर रही हूँ तो बहुत ही बुरा लग रहा है. But it's about love and loss. And that's a very
And everyone has experienced this. It's like if you think about it, right?
The common man, right? And it's a very, it teaches you a lot. You know, it teaches you if something is not good enough for you, doesn't mean it has no value. You know, it's everything for the other person.
Can this be done in a drama, or does it have to be in a film?
Drama में तो 26 episodes लोग कोड़े मारेंगे हमें. ये क्या कर रहा है? I think
तो ड्रामे में complexity की जरूरत होती है to keep everyone engaged for the 26 episodes, right?
I mean, I feel बहुत दफा हम जबरदस्ती वो complexities डाल रहे होते हैं.
क्यों viewership तो retain करनी है.
But then people are not dumb, right? They do comment under that video, you know, this is dragged.
Yeah.
It was being dragged and we don't want it. एक जमाना था 8 episodes, 16 episodes, 12 episodes. खत्म हो जाता था ड्रामा. और फॉर्मेट एक्चुअली सीरीज का इतना ही है. तो वो एयर टाइम के लिए ज्यादा पैसे कमाने के लिए वो 26 और 32 पे जब चले जाते तो बिरयानी वेंट ऑन टू 32. इट वाज अ 22 एपिसोड.
पैसे बन रहे तो
पैसे बन रहे, ठीक है. But it was a success. I mean, I would the sort of feedback I would get, the sort of attention that subject would get, I felt it was okay. It resonated enough.
So let's say this imaginary film, the script of which is about someone's trash is another man's treasure. Who would have to write the screenplay for this for you to have been like, okay, I'll consider it?
Not somebody from here.
Really?
I have that story to tell. So I want to tell a story which is called Blue Socks. And I don't know when it's going to happen. But about 5 years ago, I wrote that.
You wrote the story?
Yes. So I'm not a script writer or a script doctor or a screenwriter for that matter. So I don't know when it'll happen. But whoever, even from here, if somebody understands the genre, because drama writers film
नहीं लिख सकते
नजर आ रहे हैं.
एक स्टोरी को ये मुझे किसी ने समझाया था. एक स्टोरी को 20 एपिसोड से 30 एपिसोड में खींचना जो है इज नॉट दैट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. लेकिन एक स्टोरी को 90 मिनट्स में या 2 घंटे के अंदर में रैप करना विद हाइज एंड लोज एंड इमोशंस एंड कंक्लूडिंग, you know, or resolving scenarios takes skill.
Yes. Just like how light karna is not the skill. Light ko kaatna is the skill.
Yeah.
Just like that, storytelling is that.
Yeah.
It's not, I mean, वरना तो 3-3 घंटे की films है.
But the problem is कि पाकिस्तानी films बनती नहीं है. बहुत कम बनती हैं, for example, right? तो चूंकि कम बनती हैं, script writers कम है. चूंकि script writers कम हैं.
नहीं, क्योंकि कम बनती है इसलिए script writers कम नहीं है.
फिर?
क्योंकि हमने study नहीं किया script writing ना.
हमारे script writers ने script writing study नहीं किया.
Because novel निगार novel लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ.
You know, हमारे पास है कुछ बहुत अच्छे राइटर्स, उन्होंने पढ़ी है, उनका काम स्टैंड आउट करता है. बट जो राइटर के असिस्टेंट्स हैं और वो है और वो सब राइटर्स हैं, वो कहाँ से ग्रेजुएट हुए, कौन से स्कूल? नापा से अगर ग्रेजुएट हुआ है एक राइटर, वो राइटर है. बाकी जो बन गए राइटर्स कि मैं एक कहानी बताता हूँ, वो नहीं है राइटर, और उसका काम नजर आएगा कि वो राइटर नहीं है.
कैसे फर्क क्या है जो नापा से निकला है या जिसने नापा के ग्रेजुएट के साथ एज एन असिस्टेंट काम किया है? व्हाट्स द, कहाँ फर्क नजर आता है? गिव मी एन एग्जांपल.
एक रिमोट कंट्रोल के बटन में.
You change the channel.
Yes.
No, but in the writing, let's say in the characters, right? Let's say you're playing the character that has not been written by a formal script writer. Dialogue or lines के अंदर, what is missing?
So I'll tell you, a proper writer knows that the language of every character is going to be different. He's writing as one. उसकी जो language है, जो writer की language है, वो उसमें story लिख रहा है.
जो नॉन प्रॉपर राइटर है,
जो नॉन प्रॉपर राइटर है,
वो अपनी लैंग्वेज में सारी स्टोरी
वो
लिखता है.
अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिखेगा ना.
राइट, करेक्ट.
जो उसकी माइंडसेट है, जो उसकी
जो प्रॉपर राइटर है वो 4 कैरेक्टर्स बनाएगा, उनके एक्टर्स की लैंग्वेज में पूरा लिखेगा, और हर कैरेक्टर का लैंग्वेज, डिलीवरी, स्ट्रक्चर, एक्सप्रेशन अलग होगा.
Yes. So, voice of God is going to be his voice. The explanation of the scene will be the writer's voice. But what the characters are saying is
Right.
going to be their voice. And if one cannot differentiate between them, then that's not a writer.
Can you pick this up when you read a script?
Of course. Now, yes. Initially, I wouldn't understand. तो वो चचा भी वही लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हैं, पप्पो भी वही लैंग्वेज यूज कर रही है, मैं भी वही लैंग्वेज यूज कर रही हूँ. वो नहीं हो सकता.
तो ये टाइम के साथ आता है.
डिफरेंट है.
अच्छा, so to pick up, अच्छा, very good point here. So to pick this up as an actor, how many years of experience do you need, or how many plays should you have done? कितने?
So again, I have not studied acting. तो मैं क्यों हूँ एक्टर आज? I've been self-taught through different mediums, different. तो कहने को तो कोई मुझे कह सकता है कि भाई आपने कहाँ से पढ़ी है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट आप वो ऑब्जर्वर तो बने कि आप देख सकें, आप एजुकेट कर लें अपने आप को, सेल्फ एजुकेट कर लें. Sorry, you were saying something.
No, what I was trying to say is that how long do you think it'll take? So to this process कि self educate करें, observe करें, खुद को सिखाएं, तो for someone who's coming in fresh, उनको तो ये फर्क नहीं नजर आएगा ना पहले स्क्रिप्ट में. वो तो वक्त के साथ, how many scripts does it take to have to perform through to realize, okay, this is not a writer, this is a writer?
I think I would say about, if you're smart, if you know this, you're watching this interview, now you know. So you can pick it up earlier. But otherwise, I would say like 7-8 plays.
7-8 plays. And 7-8 plays takes about 3 years, 4 years of your time?
Yeah.
तो पहले 4 साल में तो लेट्स अस्यूम कि एक एक्टर को सिर्फ यही नहीं पता कि कौन सा स्क्रिप्ट अच्छा और कौन सा नहीं है.
Yes.
तो जो आजकल के जो एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं एक्सपेक्टिंग टू बी ओवरनाइट स्टार्स, वो तो छक्का लग गया तो लग गया, अदरवाइज ओवरनाइट तो हो ही नहीं सकता. 4 साल तो लगेंगे.
You know, consistency बहुत जरूरी है फैजान. So छक्का लग गया, फिर आपने silly, you know, not so enterprising scripts अगर ली, तो हमारी बड़ी फिकल इंडस्ट्री है. एक गया नहीं, अगला बुरा आया और भूल गए. You know, so one has to be consistent. The whole thing is consistency. You got to pick up good projects. You got to pick up fights, the good fights. You got to make sure your team hai. I was lucky that I got good teams. I got good teams. And the writers were great. The directors were good. One has to push yourself also, themselves. कि यार हर ड्रामे में मैं वही लग रही हूँ, तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ही डिफरेंट कर लो. अगर वो स्क्रिप्ट्स वही आ रही हैं तो यू मैन्युफैक्चर द कैरेक्टर ना. Like I remember I did I think I've done only one negative role in a play, and it was written so like in one direction, you know, it's like बुरी है. I sat with the director. I said, कौन पैदा होता है बुरा? को पैदा होता है बुरा? नहीं. कौन सा बचता है अपने आप को? जो चोर होगा वो भी कहेगा मेरे रीजन है चोरी करने के, मैं बुरा नहीं हूँ. So let's paint it like that. So you go back into what happened to her. Why did she become like this? At what point is her turning point coming? You know, is there no humanity in her? या यहाँ थोड़ी झलकेगी? You know, so you got to make it human. अब अगर एक नए एक्टर्स आते हैं, वो कहते हैं हमें लाइनें दे, हम ये कर ले, ये लाइनें बोल दे, वो नजर आएगा स्क्रीन को, बिकॉज द कैमरा कैप्चर्स एवरीथिंग. अगर वही बच्ची या लड़की या लड़का अपने रात को अपने शीशे के सामने रिहर्स करके आएगा, अपनी लाइनें याद करके आएगा, उसकी परफॉर्मेंस उस दिन बहुत डिफरेंट होगी. सो जितना गुड़ डालेंगे उतना मीठा होगा. ट्रू. सो आई फील वन शुड नॉट डिपेंड ऑन एनीवन. One should depend on themselves.
Depending on yourself, mein, as you've evolved in this industry, right? 20 saal ho gaye. Have you seen anyone reinvent themselves as an actor in our industry? And this comes to mind because recently, what's her name, Demi Moore won an Oscar.
Yes, I know.
And this is at the age of 61. Yes. completely reinvented herself, right? Like, I mean, wow. And what a movie that was.
Yeah.
Incredible movie, right? Completely bizarre.
Yeah.
इस तरह के characters, Madonna has reinvented herself multiple times. ठीक है? हमें बाहर नजर आता है कि माइली साइरस ने अपने आप को reinvent किया था at a younger age.
सारे आप जो नाम ले रहे हैं ना,
एजेस के मैं डिफरेंट नाम ले रहा हूँ. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में मैंने, शायद मैं हूं नहीं इंडस्ट्री से तो मुझे नजर नहीं आता है, बट मुझे नहीं नजर आया कि किसी ने अपने आप को उस तरह से री इन्वेंट किया हो और एक नया एंगल प्रेजेंट किया हो. ए एम आई मिसिंग समवन? बी इफ नॉट व्हाई इज दैट द केस?
देखिए, जो सीनियर एक्टर्स हैं, आई मीन दे प्ले इन देयर ओन कंफर्ट. एक एक कंफर्टेबल है, और वहां पे मुझे नहीं लगता वो ज्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. जो एक मिडिल वो है, द ओनली वन आई कुड थिंक ऑफ इज अहमद अली अकबर.
ओके,
ही इज रीइन्वेंटेड हिमसेल्फ.
हाउ इज दैट?
आई मीन ही वुड also Gohar Rashid. With so Ahmed first. Ahmed, I think initially was struggling to fit in to the hero category. Everybody wants to do that. But then after doing Parizad, he changed his dynamics with that attention-seeking thing. And I feel that he was uninhibited. And when an actor he shakes off everything, that's when the reinvention comes. Another name would be...
you mentioned Gohar.
Gohar Rashid.
Was it pre or post Maula Jat?
So, it was through Maula Jat that I think he tapped into how amazing of a villain, of an antagonist he can play.
And he's leaned into it.
And he's doing well.
Why can't the old guys reinvent themselves? If there is a Demi Moore, Sharon Stone even, for example, why can't our older actors repackage themselves?
I'll tell you. Demi Moore को जितने पैसे मिलते हैं उस एक मूवी के, उससे वो 2 साल निकाल लेती हैं, राइट? अगर आप यहाँ सवेरा नदीम से कहें कि एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें एक कैंसर पेशेंट दिखानी है, आप अपने बाल शेव कर ले, उसको वो पैकेज दे दें, वो कर लेगी. वी आर हंग्री. हमारे जो आर्टिस्ट हैं, वो उनका पेट भरना का दिल होता है कि यार हम भी करें कुछ डिफरेंट. लेकिन अगर वो अपने बाल कटवा लेंगी तो उनके अगले 4 साल के जो टाइम है बाल आने के, उस पे वो एक बजट ड्रामे का नहीं कैपिटलाइज कर सकती. सो जो नाम आप ले रहे हैं, उनके बजट्स तो बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल है.
Do you think it's a money issue?
Of course it's the money issue.
There's no other reason.
There is no other reason. An actor like Savera Nadeem would want to, I'm sure, experiment, do different things. But you need to provide them with those tools, right? Why would anyone want to do it on their own?
Movie budgets, you think they can ever be bigger than they are today?
देखिए, मूवी के साथ मेरा जो इख्तिलाफ है वो है उसकी स्टोरी. आप ड्रामे के राइटर्स को लेके मूवी नहीं बना सकते unless it's a like a comedy, like JPN did well with Vase. Vase is a television writer. Story, even with Nilofer, I felt that story अच्छी थी, और बेहतर हो सकती थी. हर फिल्म को अगर आपको देख के ये लगे कि यार ये और बेहतर हो सकती थी, that means कि हमें we need to study filmmaking. We need to study narratives for film in particular. Because budget तो है, हो भी रहा है, मिलता है नहीं मिलता है, ब्रेक इवन कर लेता है. बट क्या ये गोल है आपका कि ब्रेक इवन कर ले? अगर ये गोल है तो आप सक्सेसफुल कह सकते हैं अपने आप को. But if it's about changing the landscape of filmmaking in Pakistan, which very few films have done. My favorite was Zinda Bahag. It was so well put together. It wasn't a big budget movie. Lal Kabutar. Done by kids.
What was your view on Mola Jat?
Mola Jat was good. It was magnanimous. It was, I mean, there were bits and parts which were amazing. But then, एक फॉर्मूला है, ये फॉर्मूला रख दो, बाइक भी इससे बिकवा दो, फिल्म भी इससे बिकवा दो, कपड़े भी इससे बिकवा दो, मैट्रेस भी इससे बिकवा दो, नहीं हो सकता. You have to believe in your artist that ये नहीं कर सकता और ये बहुत जबरदस्त करेगा. तो जब तक हम क्लिकिश रहेंगे कहीं नहीं जाएंगे.
तो Mola Jat, do you think was cast incorrectly?
I would like to see a few new faces in Mola Jat.
Who would you have changed?
I would have taken a Punjabi actress who looked the part.
Not Myra.
Myra is beautiful. आप उसकी ब्यूटी से ही नहीं जा सकते तो उधर. तो मुझे ऐसा कैरेक्टर चाहिए जिस पे गुस्सा भी आए, जिस पे नफरत भी आए.
But that would have been too big a risk कि इतनी बड़ी बजट की फिल्म पे अगर आप मायरा फवाद को सामने डुओ ना दिखाएं और एक रैंडम पंजाबी एक्ट्रेस को डाल दें.
रैंडम नहीं हो, अच्छी हो. जो उसकी एक और कैरेक्टर कर रही थी वो लड़की. She was stunning. And she was a great actress. So yes, take a risk ना. आप नहीं लेंगे तो और कौन लेगा?
But Fawad Khan should have still been the star.
I mean, Fawad is our blue eyed boy. So yeah.
Oh, but I mean in a
I think yeah, why not? बट कौन करता फिर? वो नाम बताए. वो इतनी बड़ी फिल्म का इतना बड़ा ही नाम होना चाहिए. शान करते बट वो बाकी फिल्म फिर रह जाती बिकॉज देन इट्स ओनली हिम. मुश्किलात आसान नहीं है हमारी.
A risk like Gohar Rashid?
Gohar was great in the character that he played. Gohar could not do that. But maybe Hamza. Hamza could have possibly done Fawad's role. क्योंकि वो कैरेक्टर जो था वो थोड़ा लेजी सा हीरो है वो. You know, he's like he's drinking and he doesn't want to fight with the gundas and फवाद ऐसा लगता नहीं है.
He's a proactive hero.
हाँ, और वो nonchalant, unbothered नहीं लगता.
So you could have actually looked at it that way. क्या पाकिस्तान में एक और मौला जट बन सकती है? Because it was a 10-year
तब तक मेरे बच्चे
exactly. It was a 10-year trials and tribulations of Mola Jat, right? It was a 10-year production. It was big budgets, everything went wrong. इतने बड़े स्केल की मूवी दोबारा बन सकती है? किसी के अंदर हिम्मत है बनाने की? In the industry you're sitting, you see.
I mean, Mola Jat was really difficult to make with it stars की dates, locations, budget, sets जो लगे थे. It's not easy, but I hope and I really wish कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री उस जगह पे पहुंचे जहां क्लॉकवर्क की तरह काम हो. अगर क्लॉकवर्क की तरह काम हो तो ये 3 महीने की भी फिल्म नहीं थी शूटिंग वाइज. यू नो, बट क्योंकि हमारे पास सिस्टम्स इंटैक्ट नहीं है, so it took forever. And Bilal Ashari is one person. Amara is one person. You know, कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन उठ के बनाए ना ऐसा.
है ना, जो बना सकता है फिल्में. एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है, उसका नाम है ISPR. वो इंस्टीट्यूशन और बनाई भी है. What is your take on ISPR taking on this responsibility? भाई वो है ना इंस्टीट्यूशन, बने भी हैं, उन्होंने फिल्म्स भी बनाई भी हैं, नैरेटिव्स भी पुट आउट किए हैं. So what's wrong with that?
I would say find the right narratives. बिकॉज आपके पास जितना बजट हो, आपके पास जो फेसेस हो, आपके पास जो सेट्स हो, जो लोकेशंस हो, इट ऑल बॉइल्स डाउन टू वन थिंग. व्हेन यू गो टू अ सिनेमा टू वॉच अ फिल्म, डू यू फील लाइक द हीरो, the audience sitting there? Do you relate to the hero? Did the story do something to you? What did you get up and feel? What are you taking back home? So it could be landscape करोड़ों का है, कास्ट करोड़ों की है, लेकिन अगर उसमें स्टोरी में जान ही नहीं है, वो याद ही नहीं रहेगी, उसने आपको मूव ही नहीं किया, तो इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ एवरीवन्स मनी, आई वुड से.
तो क्या ISPR अच्छी स्टोरी वाली फिल्में बना सकता है?
बना सकता है. They have it.
What would they have to do differently to do that?
They'd have to reach out to the right people and not the people who only they're familiar with.
And why are they familiar with those people?
Because of PR.
Okay. Don't you think they'd also have to let go of the reins a little bit? Creative expression की freedom. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई ये नहीं हो सकता.
देखिए,
सब चीजों पे बात करनी पड़ेगी ना फिर.
So स्टोरी तो वही अप्रूव करेंगे ना.
तो वहां पे भी एक चैलेंज आ जाता है.
राइट. सो अगर आपको ISPR के पास जाना है एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए, यू शुड बी रेडी कि आप उसमें ये चीजें नहीं दिखा सकते. सो डोंट टेक दैट स्टोरी.
Can ISPR take the risk and say कि यार ले आओ, स्टोरी अच्छी होगी, will greenlight anything you want?
मुश्किल है. There are quite a few narratives that are going around in the city कि यार इस पे बननी चाहिए फिल्म, इस पे बननी चाहिए, बट उसकी उनकी टेक होगी इस पे कि ये क्या बन सकती है. And they also have a responsibility. They can't just say okay to everything. They have to have a certain decorum or certain, boundary they can't cross.
You think a film on MQM बन सकती है?
बराबर वालों ने बना ली, कहीं पहुंच गए, तो हम क्यों नहीं अपने लोगों पे बना सकते? ये तो हमारी कहानी है. वो कौन सी थी अभी जो यश राज ने बनाई थी? धुरिंदर भी, and the other one,
that I don't know.
The red light area.
Okay. नाम नहीं याद है मुझे.
So ये हमारी कहानी, हमारा लाहौर दिखा रहे हैं वो लोग, हम क्यों नहीं दिखा सकते?
हमें क्यों नहीं दिखा सकते? One reason that you've given is script writers नहीं है हमारे पास. Second reason is budgets नहीं है. Third reason is operational excellence नहीं है. Fourth reason is actors कम है. Fifth reason is the desire does.
So, Faizan, with all these problems, it was yesterday that we had to create an institution for film makers. Because India did it. They've done it 40 years before we even started talking about film.
And we only have Napa?
We only have Napa.
And I think Asadul Haq has started an initiative.
It's a baby, yes, but yes, it's a great step in the right direction. But again, ISPR से मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि एक फिल्म यूनिवर्सिटी बना दे हमें, और फिर आप देखें, आपको फिल्म बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी.
तो फिल्म स्कूल बना दे.
फिल्म स्कूल बनाए. And then churn out your people. Churn out the narratives, the sort of narratives you want to give out to the world about Pakistan. अभी कुछ दिन पहले अखबार में देखा हमने कि वो बजट्स मिल रहे हैं लोगों को पाकिस्तान में फिल्म बनाने के लिए, to portray what Pakistan is really about. You wouldn't need to do that if you have your own
film school.
And then you have ideas around that कि अच्छा travel कम हो रहा है, travel पे फिल्म बना दे. अच्छा, जो बस्तियों में काम हो रहा है हैंडीक्राफ्ट का, उस पे फिल्म बना दे.
Minerals and mining is a hot topic. उस पे फिल्म
बना दे. तो आपके पास आपका होम ग्रोन होगा ना सब कुछ. Please take that idea.
If you were the chairperson of the censor board, what is the one thing you would censor that you see in dramas today?
Women being disgraced, beaten, bullied.
You would censor that?
Yes.
But coming back to your point, these are stories from everyday life. ये तो हो रहा होता है.
Don't burn a woman. Don't demean her. Tell her journey. Because you see, whether we like it or not, people are watching us and getting ideas for their real life situations. So let's talk about good things. Let's talk about success stories.
So how would you, but if these things are happening, ठीक है, success stories पे मैं आता हूँ एक second, but ये जो चीजें दिखा रहे हैं, the way women are being treated in society, it is true. It's not untrue.
Yes.
What is the other way to show this? There is no other way to show a woman being burnt other than her being burnt.
So how about you show a success story of a woman who was burnt and how capable she is now and what she's achieved?
So flip the narrative.
Yes. Right? Because she is that same woman. So why would you want to focus on her mazloom se saktiness and not what she achieved after all the, overcoming her hurdles?
Because more women can relate to this story and not that story, because there's very, very, very few.
But then how do you inspire a nation? By telling your own stories and your success stories. Right? So I think mazloom se sakti bhi aurat, or, also glorifying the misogynistic patriarchal man. ये हीरो मुझे मारता है, ओह यही मेरा सरताज है, खुदा के लिए ये तुम्हें मार रहा है, ये तुम्हें गाली दे रहा है, ये तुम्हारे माँ बाप की इज्जत नहीं कर रहा है, तुम कैसे मरी जा रही हो उसके लिए? How? That.
You would ban that.
I would definitely ban that.
What would you allow that is not being shown today? जो आज ban हो रहा है TV या film में, what would you open?
Women heroes.
वो ban हो रहा है?
Women heroes कहाँ है?
चुड़ैल्स में है?
चुड़ैल्स आपके नेशनल टेलीविजन के लिए नहीं था ना? कौन सी
women heroes? I actually can't think of a story
exactly
recently.
Right.
Yeah.
So कितनी है हमारे around? You know so many, I know so many who are doing tremendous.
You worked for the longest time for one of the TV channels for a couple of them. Hum TV mein.
Yeah.
Channels run by a woman,
yeah.
founded by a woman. That in itself is a story.
Right?
It's in media.
इतनी दफा कह चुकी आप अपने ऊपर बना ले यार.
Should actually. That is actually the best story to tell.
आप अपने ऊपर बना ले. तो क्यों नहीं है वो सक्सेस स्टोरीज? पहले इंस्पायर करें ना. हो गए वो 50 साल ऑफ ये हो रहा है हमारी सोसाइटी में, ये हो रहा है हमारी सोसाइटी में.
बस हो गई है.
देखिए हो रहा है, उस प्रॉब्लम पे आप फोकस कर रहे हैं, सोल्यूशन पे क्यों नहीं कर रहे फोकस? हाउ डज a woman sitting in Gujranwala facing all this get education or the resolve or the resources to reach out for help? Because you're not teaching her. You're not teaching her about her rights. You're not teaching her about the laws that protect her. You're not teaching her or giving her the ability to understand where she should go for help. बताए ना, हमारे ड्रामे तो बताएंगे. वो लड़ी, वो मरी, वो जल गई, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? एक आदमी आया, उसने उसको सेव किया, हैप्पी एंडिंग, शादी हो गई.
So basically women की life में success is a man who saves her. The way the dramas are showing.
If she's good enough to get married.
And that too if she's good enough.
26 episodes, is the girl good enough to get married? Is that no, that's not a Pakistani woman. A Pakistani woman is achieving beyond her means, doing extra everything. She's a multitasker. She's a mother. She's a worker. She's trying to prove herself in the man's world at work. She's doing so much. Where are those stories? So I would do that. I would disapprove all these stories that are not telling our picture.
And maybe that's where ISPR should take the lead.
I think yes. I think we need a system intact, and who better than them to know what a system should be like.
You have 3 kids. Would you ever put any of them in this industry?
If they want to. Yeah.
What guidance would you give them?
I'd want them to, so my middle one, Ares, is very creative. He's very animated. And I often feel because I look at him and I'm like, यार ये तो बहुत इसके अंदर वही जरासीम है. आना होगा आएगा. I'm not going to stop them, but not before his time. Not. I mean, even now, you know, sometimes some brands come and they're like, आपके बच्चों के साथ हमें वीडियो बनानी. So they both get really excited. Mama, am I going to be in the video? Because school में फिर बच्चे कहते हैं, so they're like, oh, we're famous. I don't want that to get to their head. You know, it has to be hard earned. Fame is not going to come just because your mother's famous. Yeah, there is so much that can be put out there, Faizan.
There is. असल में इनको जो है ना, what I find, क्या होता है, what I've observed, is कभी कभार कुछ लोग जो है ना, a certain type of personality that operates in this country, and maybe it's everywhere, they're not the most competent, but they're the greatest at being the hangers around. बस इर्द गिर्द घूम रहे होते हैं, उनका एक कंसोर्शियम होता है, तो जो अंदर जिसको घेरना है, that person feels कि मुझे different perspectives मिल रहे हैं कि मैं इसके पास भी क्या इसके पास, but they're all the same.
Absolutely.
और आपने उनको फंसा के रखा हुआ है, and they don't see it, the inside guy doesn't see it, कि वो अंदर फंसा हुआ है, right? And I feel कि institutions के साथ, चाहे ISPR हो, चाहे ministry हो, ministers हो, उनके साथ भी यही होता है, एक ऐसा group उनके साथ चल रहा होता है. Competence के लिए you have to break out the group and actually go out and say, yaar, you I here are competent. I have seen that you are competent. You are critically acclaimed. You tell me what I should do. And usually those competent people will give them an honest, competent answer because that's who they are. And instead of trusting the gut, that person, that institution, instead of trusting the gut and saying, okay, let's go. I agree with you or I believe in you, let's go. वो वापस hangers on आते हैं, नहीं ये देखें ये ऐसे हो जाएगा, हम करके देते हैं, हम ऐसे करके, then they get caught in that trap. So it takes courage from leadership, it takes courage from the institution to break out of that, and I don't see that courage anymore across the board.
Or that motivation to do something different, or to that motivation needs to be there ना कि यार पाकिस्तान के लिए कुछ करना है, पाकिस्तान का इमेज अगर आपको अच्छा करना है, तो आप अपने क्लिकिश लोगों से मिलके वो नहीं ठीक कर सकते. You have to go the longer route. You have to look for the right people.
Yes.
And you have to be happy with being uncomfortable with
yes.
things they're going to say.
Exactly.
Right?
And you will make mistakes. The first one won't be great.
Yeah.
The second one will be slightly better. The third one, you might hit it out of the park.
Yeah.
लेकिन सबसे important चीज़ है with what you said. You have to become comfortable in that institution or role, being completely uncomfortable. यार ये मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ जाएगा, लेकिन नियत मेरी clear है.
Yeah. And it can't be the same people who you see on TV. कि यार ये वो याद है वो. It's very like, oh, उनका ड्रामा अच्छा था, आओ उनको कॉल कर लेते हैं कि वो बना दे हमारे लिए. You got to do your own research. You got to get in there, get your feet dirty, and who better than them to get their feet dirty?
क्योंकि इसमें एक और चीज़ है, right? Even when you look at international content, Parasite is often cited as the #1 film ever made.
Yes.
No known actors.
Yes.
Completely,
right.
Not even in English.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You look at, बीच में एक Italian आया था, क्या ना था, Benino, पता नहीं क्या था, he won an Oscar or something.
So again,
random guy.
They have, right?
Random guy.
They had the narrative.
They had the narrative.
The hero was the narrative.
The narrative was the hero, and it doesn't matter कि कौन लेके आ रहा है narrative.
Exactly.
एक random बंदा आया, narrative लाया, अच्छी लगी, दुनिया को देख ली.
अच्छा, अभी वो जो गेम, वो कौन सी थी अभी जो games? Squid Games. For 10 years, this guy, the maker, was going everywhere saying, you know, this is my story, ये इस पे कुछ बना लो.
Yeah.
One person gave him a chance.
Yeah.
Look where he's at.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and I guess you got to keep pushing the agenda.
Yeah.
You can't give up on your agenda.
Yeah.
So if you want to look for the right people, create the right people.
Yeah.
I would say that. Create a film school. Create, and imagine an ISPR film school.
Yeah.
That's never happened anywhere.
Yeah.
And then you come and say ना कि हमें narratives अच्छे नहीं मिल रहे पाकिस्तान के. कैसे नहीं मिल रहे यार? हम तो दिखा रहे हैं आपको जो हो रहा है पाकिस्तान. And success stories दिखाएं यार. So I debate with.
Why don't you take this initiative and start a film school? You already are involved with your little. You're still doing that, right? In Clifton,
Art
the
house.
art house.
No, it finished.
It finished. So maybe this is a new project for you.
I mean, sure. I mean, no, I could only help them, but I'm in no position to take that position. You need a person who studied it. You need, वही बात है कि head positions पे गलत लोग बैठे हों तो the trickle down effect is going to be गलत. So, sure, I mean, I would love to take that idea forward. And I say that in all my interviews, in fact, कि जब तक institutions नहीं बनेंगे हमारे, तब तक हम कहीं नहीं जा सकते. और हम सिर्फ कंप्लेन ही करते रहेंगे कि यार फिल्में नहीं बन रही अच्छी और फिल्में चल नहीं रही और सिनेमाज नहीं है. तो एक लिमिट तक ही हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इसको सस्टेन कर सकती है, जो उनकी आई थिंक अब लिमिट डन हो गई है. There's only enough you can expect from an industry which has not even been given a title of an industry from the government.
I'm going to switch gears. True.
Okay.
Usually, celebrities, when they're married, one is the celebrity, one is sort of the non-celebrity. In your case, your husband is not only a successful plastic surgeon, but he's also fairly popular on socials.
He's more than a celebrity.
He's more
than me also.
He is in himself a big celebrity.
Yeah.
How does that dynamic work? Like, because both of you essentially, are you competing for the same attention? Maybe not, because he's competing for women's attention, and
I'm not.
You're competing for women and men's attention. How does that work? And isn't there jealousy in that kind of an environment? I mean, the dynamic to me, it's a very different dynamic than a traditional relationship.
So, Fazan, I think we were lucky that we didn't get famous at the same time. That really helped. I had the eyes and attention, and I was in the limelight from 2020. In fact, 2000. I used to model. I used to have my commercials out, and so by the time we got together, and Fahad started, getting that attention, I had already had my fair share of attention. In fact, I have become the opposite. So I dim my lights around him so he can enjoy that. And as a personality also, I am, there's another word, there's a new word for somebody who's an extrovert and an introvert. Outrovert, yes. So I'm an outrovert. And I don't like attention anymore. I get really uncomfortable when people are talking about my work. They're praising me. They're praising what I do, like with the charity and women's rights and children and all of that. So I don't know what phase of my life I'm in. But I like that he gets it. He likes to put out reels every day. मेरी टीम कह रही होती है आप कुछ तो लगा ले कुछ आप नजर नहीं आएंगे तो हम कैसे बेचेंगे आपको. So and I think it's also when you both are on the same page about growing. I think it's very important to understand that both the partners have their different ways of growing.
Right.
Whether that's mentally, emotionally, socially, fame-wise. And it's okay. It's okay you go higher. It's okay sometimes I go higher. But as long as we both celebrate each other, I think that is so important, to celebrate each other. Because when you don't celebrate each other, you get envious.
How do you celebrate each other?
When he's done a great surgery or when he's gotten a great opportunity, I am there clapping for him.
Like actually clapping?
Actually clapping. When he comes back, we have a big family hug. The kids talk about it. We talk about it. अम्मा अब्बा तो कह रहे होते शाबाशी दे रहे होते तो बट बच्चों को भी जरूरत है जानने की और उसको अप्रिशिएट करने की कि you know, wow, dad, mama told us you did this, mama told us. So there's a sense of I belong, I am the hero syndrome. Very important to keep, you know, sort of polishing that. But at the same time, he does the same with me.
So he'll celebrate you.
He does.
How did he do that for Joyland and Churels?
He came along when I was broke. He said, I will feed you. I will take you to the nice hotels. I will feed you oysters. I was like, sure. You know. So that way and other ways, he sits and the way he's looking at me when I'm giving a speech and he tells me every day how proud he is of me and the stuff I do. I remember abhi main interiors gayi thi. I visit a few schools that I've marked. So he was in America and पिछली दफा हमने उस स्कूल को क्योंकि गर्मियों में हम गए थे तो हमने ये प्लेट्स दी थी सोलर प्लेट्स इस दफा गए तो ठंड थी तो हमने बहुत सारी जर्सीज दी उनको और पानी नहीं था पानी का कूलर दिया स्टफ सो आई वाज टेलिंग हिम अबाउट दैट इनफैक्ट आई डिडंट टेल हिम आई डिडंट गेट द चांस टू टेल हिम बट आई पुट अप माय पोस्ट And so रात के 3 बजे he called and he's like, I'm so proud of you. I said, do you realize this is not America? And I'm sleeping right now. He's like, but I'm showing it to everyone and I'm so proud of you and stuff. So to celebrate each other. And I learned this from him. I come from a very quiet family. You know, ज़्यादा तारीफ नहीं करो सर पे चढ़ जाएगी. ज़्यादा appreciate नहीं करना. ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना उसके बारे में. Next पता नहीं कैसे करेगी फिर. So I come from that family, pushing me, rigid, you know. इनकी family में opposite है. वो उसने pencil उठा के रखी. Wow, that's amazing. And I learned from that. I learned that encouraging your child or encouraging your partner will only bring out the best in them. So positive reinforcement. I would do that with my children. But then I started doing that with Fahad also because he did that with me and I was like, okay, that's another way of showing that I appreciate you, not just by a text or whatever.
And how do you manage unwanted attention that comes his way?
Gosh. His way.
Or your way? How do you both manage that? I mean, I'm sure it comes both ways in the limelight. There's always people and, you know, कोई ना कोई किसी ने बात कर दी और कहीं बुरा लग गया किसी को. तो ये जो unwanted advances या tension होता है to either him or to you, how do you guys?
So initially I wouldn't understand how to deal with it because every time we'd go out, there'll be this, you know, he's like the honey nectar and all the bees are around him. Saying, मेरी नाक ठीक कर दो, मेरा jawline ठीक कर दो, ये कर दो.
Exactly. And he's in that profession also.
And he's really into explaining the process.
Yes.
So that potentially 5-minute conversation would turn into a 40-minute lecture on your body cells require and stuff. So पहले तो मैं कहती थी कि ये क्या हो रहा है यार, क्लिनिक पे क्यों नहीं आते ये लोग यार, ये लोग क्लिनिक पे आए. और मैं अच्छा कभी कभार मैं जाके खड़ी हो जाती थी.
They wouldn't get the hint?
No, they wouldn't because he wouldn't get the hint.
अच्छा, he wouldn't get the hint.
वो तो इतना engrossed होता है समझाने में. So he wouldn't get the hint and then so थोड़ी लड़ाइयों के बाद समझ आई कि अच्छा इसको कैसे handle करना है. So now I just go and if there's a marker of like a few minutes पीछे or whatever, then I go and I just stand and I rub his back. I'm here. Then he involves me in the conversation.
Okay.
पहले तो involve ही नहीं करता था ना because वो उनकी इतनी medical details में, so I would feel like what is going on. Now it's been like 11 years. Now I just don't go. जो मसले होंगे कब तुम्हें खत्म करने, क्लिनिक पे खत्म करने, इस पार्टी में खत्म करने, खाने के ऊपर बात करनी है, तुम्हारा मसला, मेरा तो है ही नहीं. I don't have to take it home. Now I'm just like much relaxed.
And how does it work the other way?
Oh, Fahad, if I'm talking to a good-looking guy, he will come stand in front of not me, but the guy. So he'll stand behind my back so the guy can see him. And he does that to date. खामोश खड़ा रहेगा, ये नहीं कि आके
इन्वॉल्व हो जाए. हाँ,
ये वो, you know, क्या बात कर रहे हो लोग, नहीं.
अच्छा, that protective, huh?
हाँ, also because I don't know why, Normally, so I'm a very contained person as a
Right.
personality. You
Right.
know, I don't do masti and all that. With my close friends, yes.
Yeah.
So he is very comfortable कि वो सरवत सुना देगी.
Yeah.
किसी ने अगर गलत कहा
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
तो मैं कर चुकी हूँ उसके सामने,
Yeah.
उसके बगैर मैं
Yeah.
बोल देती हूँ लोगों को कि यार जरा लिमिट
Yeah.
में रहे. तो उसको पता है, he's so reassured by that
Yeah.
कि वैसे नहीं उसको कोई फर्क पड़ता
Hmm.
कि मैं किसी से बात कर रही हूँ या whatever. बट अगर बात बहुत लंबी हो गई या बात कुछ बहुत इंटेंस एक्सप्रेशंस नजर आ रहे हैं या उसको लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत खुश हंस रही तो वो आके खड़ा हो जाता. But that's it.
And it takes, how long does it take to figure a dynamic out between your partners in such a public sort of relationship?
So it took me a whole lot of years. Also because it depends how secure you are. Now that I'm so secure in myself, I find no trouble in him talking to or giving attention to, and he realizes it too. So पहले वो खुद भी बड़ा flamboyant और charming होते थे, अब जरा वो हल्का हो गया. You know, because also it's like a pendulum, right? So you push, it'll come back to you.
Yeah.
You take it towards you, it'll want to go back. Laws of nature. तो अब हम ज़्यादा lift नहीं कराते.
My last question.
Okay.
If you were to do a project in the next 12 months, okay, if you were to do a project, what would that project be?
I don't know.
It wouldn't be Blue Socks.
I wish I could put a date to that because it's a really nice story. If ISPR is interested in showing the lighter side of things, the positive side of life, good messaging, I think 12 months to bahut zyada hai.
So Blue Socks in 12 months.
Blue Socks in 12 months sounds really good.
I think it does.
Yeah. A lot of people ask me कि हर जो normally जो actors हैं वो producer बन जाते हैं तो आप भी बनेंगे. And that's a scary place for me. Because it's a whole lot of, because I know कि एक अच्छी film के लिए आपको इतना सा खून नहीं, 2 बाल्टी का खून चाहिए. So I know, and that's what scares me. But if I do get into it, I think I'll be so meticulous about all the details. And
so that's good.
Yeah. And because I'm an actor, I think I'd understand how to treat, elevate, celebrate each person on the set.
So, I trained I did 2 half marathons at one point.
Oh, yes, you did.
I did 2 halves. I never trained for the full. And I kept thinking, full karu, nahi karu. I didn't love it enough. I enjoy running, but I didn't love it enough कि यार मैं पूरी marathon करूँगा. So one guy who was sort of helping me train, he's like, the only time you'll train for a full marathon is when? I said, when? He said, after you've paid the fee for the full marathon. He said, you have to sign up first. The training comes after.
Yes.
Because it's you've committed. You've paid the money, you've committed. Some slots are very hard to come by. अगर आप बाहर भाग रहे हैं. तो यही चीज मुझे ख्याल आया था with Blue Socks. एक डेडलाइन डाल दो कि ये मेरी 50th birthday पे on air होगी या 45th पे या whatever. It's a certain marker कि यार ये
It's a good idea.
ये सिनेमा में होगी. I will watch this on my Xth birthday. Right? And then you work backwards. And guess what? The doors open. सारे दरवाजे खुद से खुल जाएंगे.
ऐसे ही है. Put it out there into the universe.
So which birthday?
So it was my 43rd birthday last year, December.
So your 45th birthday.
No, 45th अच्छा is number.
It's a good number.
It's a good number.
It's a good marker.
ISPR. Blue Socks coming your way. Why not?
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Faizan.
I really enjoyed this.
But I'd like to take a moment and appreciate what you do. You bring real people, real conversations to the table. Yeah. And thank you, because generally we're unable to have those sort of conversations.
I appreciate that.
So thank you.
I appreciate you're the first of 198 who has said that.
No way.
I think I'm hitting 200 and, well, 2 more episodes.
Congratulations and diss those ungrateful people. Thankless people.
No. They've always given me feedback after, but again, the idea is to capture conversations and just put them out there.
Yeah.
Agenda free.
Agenda free.
You know, and it's so liberating. It's sometimes annoying, by the way. Oh, this didn't get views. And I'm like, I'm not doing it for the views.
Yes, no, never.
You know?
It's for yourself.
It's for me, right?
Yeah.
Some people play golf.
Yeah.
You know, so a lot of people are like, oh, why are you doing this? I said, you play golf, right? I said, I do this.
Yeah.
So I get to meet so many fun people. I learn something new from every single person, right? And you document it and you leave it there, and you know what? किसी एक बंदे के काम आ गया.
Yes.
आपने अपना काम कर दिया.
Absolutely. I think interviews में or even when you know, sometimes you read something that hits you. Sometimes you have to hear it from someone else too.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
It's for that.
Yes, exactly.
So thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you next time.